Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring how to automate a process in Monday.com to streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, open the Monday.com and navigate to the desired project or bar. Click on the top corner with the title Automate. Next, click on Board Automations. Click on Add New Automation, located at the top right corner of the screen. In the first line, search for Person Assigned and select it. Then, add another condition by searching for Item Created and define yourself as the owner. As you can see, this setup resembles logic programming. We will now create another automation, starting with status, change it to done. To add another condition, click on the plus icon at the right and specify a day, for example, Monday. Below the condition, set the action to then push date by 7 days, representing a weekly routine. Next, set the status to feature steps at the top. Lastly, move the item to the appropriate group, for example, Tuesday, as the next day. Finish the automation setup by clicking on Create Automation. To create a routine for other days, you can duplicate the automation and make necessary adjustments to the commands. Now, return to the main screen of your project. Add the task that you want to automate and assign yourself as the owner. Swap the status of the task to done and observe how the automation responds. That's it. You have successfully automated a process in Monday.com to streamline your workload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.